Wondering how to make the perfect kulfi at home? This is how you get that real kulfi texture. Start by simmering milk on low heat. Don't rush this step. Make a smooth rice flour paste with milk. This paste helps thicken the milk evenly. Grate khoya or mawa and keep it ready. Add sugar to the simmering milk and mix till it dissolves. Keep stirring and scraping the milk solids from the side. Now add that rice flour paste. Mix and cook till the mixture thickens slightly. Add the grated khoya. This gives the kulfi a nice rich taste. Add your choice of nuts and cardamom powder. Flavor with rose water and saffron. Mix again. Let the mixture cool completely. Pour into molds or small glasses. Seal with aluminium foil or a lid. Freeze till set. This creamy grainy texture is what makes kulfi just right. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to the channel.